Hi everybody, Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys are here for my fall winter fashion mood board, which is based on Design Your Wardrobe by Seamwork. We're not new to this, we're true to this. However, the twist that I'm going to do is I'm going to present them in 5 different videos, and it's going to be 5 different mood boards for each look, and each look will have a top and a bottom. Look number 1. This mood board I am so happy with. I was inspired by this picture right here by Pinterest, that I found on Pinterest, and it is as you can see, an oversized sweater with a fitted pants. I really love the look of it, and so I gave it my own twist. I found a Crewneck Pullover sweater by Burdastyle in this issue, which is October 2014, and it is pattern number 129. It has 5 pattern pieces, 2 of which you have to draw yourself, which are the cuffs and the waistband, and 3 of them, which is the front, the back, and the sleeves, are already on the pattern paper. You also have it as a PDF pattern for $8.99 on the Burda website. The fabric that I'm going to use for this pattern is this fabric right here. I presented it before in my previous video. This is, I said that it was more a mauve color, but it's more of a raspberry color. It is the big knit. It has 70% cotton and 30% polyester. I think it will work perfect for this sweater. The only alteration that I'm planning to make for my sweater is that I'm going to shorten it, not really make it a crop, but I want it to be a little shorter than what is presented in the Burda. The second one, or my bottom, which is going to be a pants by Burda. It is in the edition of August 2020. It is pattern number 106. It's a cute fitted pants, and this one has 8 pattern pieces, 2 of which you have to draw yourself. The other 6 are already on the pattern sheet. It's also available as a PDF for $8.99, and the fabric that I chose for it is this fabric right here, which is a cotton sateen with a snake print on it. The color is green, and I thought it would be perfect with this. Because what I noticed when I was looking at a few fashion shows is that the color is being embraced. That's right up my avenue, because I love color, and I thought it would be nice. These pieces won't be pieces that stand out in my wardrobe, because you guys, I wear print and color all the time. It is a little deviation of the standard fall colors, but I do have them coming up in the next looks. So hence, this is what I wanted to present. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Stay tuned for the next look, and have a great day. Bye.